So today we got this parcel in our mailbox today. Alright, let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Savage. Let's see how savage it looks. Apparently, it's good quality. See, it's big. It's huge. Okay. That's weird. Look. They don't match. But we'll see how it looks. So I found out why they actually designed this like this. That's deeper. That's why this one right here goes over here. Loosening it like that. There. So this bolt, the one that came with your I just used them. Just drop it. There we go. Now just snug it tight. There we go. Should be good. Got 1,800 kilometers already on this thing. We're only owning for 3 weeks. Been riding pretty good. Good job, CBR.